Welcome to choosing your capstone topic. This project is about doing and learning. I hope that this review will assist you in finding a suitable topic for your capstone project. The learning objective for this presentation, and there is only one, is for you to be able to choose a topic for your capstone project. To help you meet that goal, I will first review 3 types of students in the introduction, then go on to review a systematic approach to choosing a topic, and review how to refine the topic. The creation of the thesis statement will be covered in the next module. When approaching their capstone, students usually fit into one of 3 groups: those who have a clear idea of their topic, those who have absolutely no idea of their topic, and those that have, or who have, I should say, competing ideas. A student who is unsure of his or her topic is tempted to approach the instructor for suggestions. However, experience has shown that students who are motivated by their own topic tend to do better. People who are working on something they find interesting or useful, or ideally both, tend to achieve much better results. If you have a clear idea of your topic, well, don't pat yourself on the back yet. Your main challenges will be to create a suitable research question or thesis statement. But before that, you will need to find suitable literature to review the topic. And you will also have to take into account all formal requirements, as everyone else will also. If you have no idea and lack inspiration, it is important not to panic. Each varies. And even though some of your classmates may already know their topic, don't feel pressured. You may benefit from using a systematic approach. This may also work for those of you who are conflicted with several topics. The systematic approach involves 1, brainstorming for ideas, 2, finding an understandable topic, identifying a manageable topic, making a list of useful keywords, being flexible, defining your topic as a focused research question, and doing some preliminary research and more reading. And finally, in Module 3, the 8th step would be formulating a thesis statement. Brainstorming your topic is a great idea, especially if you have the opportunity to bounce your ideas around with your peers. You can use the following questions to help generate topics. Do you have a strong opinion on a current practice or therapy? Do you have a personal issue, problem, or interest that you would like to know more about? Do you read or see new therapy, practice, test, etc., that has piqued your interest or made you angry or anxious? Remember not to use overused ideas. Use something that you are interested in learning more about. Write down any keywords or concepts that may be of interest to you. If that fails, make a list of subjects that you have taken and take notice of the topics that interest you. Once you have come up with a few ideas, complete the brainstorming discussion with your classmates. You will find one of their topics of interest and Maybe they will find one of your topics interesting. Once you have a topic, complete a general search through the library databases and find one or two articles or maybe three on the topic. Maybe one of your textbook has a chapter that covers the topic generally. Reading a broad summary enables you to get an overview of the topic and see how your idea relates to broader, narrower, and related issues. It also provides a great resource for finding words commonly used to describe the topic. These key words may be very useful to your later research. If you can't find an article on your topic, try using broader terms and ask for help from a librarian. A topic will be very difficult to research if it is too broad or too narrow. One way to narrow a broad topic is to limit it by discipline, by geographical area, by population group, by time frame. Remember that a topic may be too difficult to research if it's too locally confined, too recent, too broadly interdisciplinary, or too popular. Here are two examples of focusing your topic. The first is a cardiovascular topic. Let's say you're interested in type 2 diabetes and and say your type 2 diabetes has a direct effect on the heart. That's a very broad statement. The second research question is much more focused. Are there certain genotypes in type 2 diabetes mellitus patients that indicate cardiovascular disease risk? The second topic is a pulmonary one. Airway clearance techniques mobilize secretions in patients with chest infections. This statement is too broad. It's better to look at a single device and its effect on a single type of patient with a certain diagnosis. For example, the addition of mechanical insufflation-exsufflation shortens airway clearance sessions in neuromuscular patients with pneumonia. Keep track of the words that are used to describe your topic. Look for words that describe your topic. Look for them when reading articles and textbooks and general information. Find broader and narrower terms, synonyms, key concepts for keywords to widen your search capabilities. Make note of these words and use them later when searching databases and catalogs. It is very common to modify your topic during the research progress. You can never be sure of what you may find. You may find too much and need to narrow your focus. You may find too little and need to broaden your focus. This is a normal part of the research process. When researching, you may not wish to change your topic, but you may decide that some other aspect of the topic is more interesting or even more manageable. Keep the length of the project in mind. Be aware of the depth of coverage needed and the due date. These important factors may help you to decide how much and when you will modify your topic. Your specific requirements will appear in another module. You will often start off with a word or two, then develop a more focused interest in an aspect of something related to that word or those words, then begin to have questions about the topic. Here is an example. Here are two words that you have all come across in your studies in our cardiopulmonary sciences program: cardiopulmonary rehabilitation and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. There are numerous diagnostic exercises that we can complete prior to beginning, cardiopulmonary rehabilitation program. We've learned that in our rehabilitation program. The most often used, even within the hospital, even on hospitalized patients who are not able to go to rehab, is the 6-minute walk test. COPD is also a very common topic and is way too broad to cover in general in a project like this one. Most moderate to severe patients with COPD, however, have chronic hypercapnic respiratory failure. So now one could ask the question, does the 6-minute walk test can it predict long-term survival in chronic hypercapnic respiratory failure? That would be a good research topic. Use the keywords you have gathered to research through internet searches, database searches at the library site. Use the references of your original research articles or chapters of your textbooks to find more information about your topic. Find more articles. You must do this research and reading before you select your final topic. Can you find enough information to answer your research question? Selecting a topic is an important and complex part of the research process. We will address formulating a thesis statement in Module 3 after you have chosen your topic. Remember, choose your topic carefully. Starting off with a bad topic is never going to have a good end. The signs of a good topic, what are they? Well, ask these questions. Is the topic based on some previous experience, something you have already done some coursework on? Don't start working on a brand new topic. Is it a topic that can be productively explored in the time that you have? Don't fixate on a topic that will take a long period of time to explore, or a topic that is so narrow that you will struggle to find information on and write about. The best thesis topics are ones that address a problem in a field and try to resolve it, not one that just surveys an area. That's not what I'm looking for here. There is no point in putting long hours working on something that bores you to tears from day one. Here are some examples of topics to help spark some ideas for your brainstorming discussion if you don't already have a topic.